Alright, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be attaching the front bumper cover, the front bumper plastic piece, as well as some of the pieces under the bumper which hold like your grill in so things don't hit your radiator. So I'll be attaching that. So right now in the video I am attaching that piece, which is essentially the grill, I guess. So we'll attach the actual grill material in a second here, but right now I'm just attaching all the bolts which hold the metal piece in. So we'll get that taken care of. Yeah, so basically we're just getting all this stuff put on, and then in the next video we will be prepping the car, so some block sanding on it and then taping off the car for when we paint it and all that good stuff. So right here the grill is on, and I've got a couple zip ties on it just to hold it in place, and it's not too much holding it, like, there's not a whole lot to hold it on, so you basically just add zip ties and it protects you from rubber, from tires or rocks, from hitting your radiator and damaging anything. And then right here is the actual bumper piece, so it takes probably about 8 bolts, I believe, if I remember correctly. So it takes those bolts, you just bolt it in, holds it in place, and then that way you can bump into things or whatever you want to do with your front bumper. And then after I get this attached, then I'll be putting on the actual bumper cover, which is what everybody sees. But yeah, like I was saying, we're going to be in the next video block sanding the car, getting it all prepped for the paint, and then cleaning it, and then off camera I wash it and do all that good stuff, but you'll see that in the next video. But for this video we're just basically attaching the bumper components, the front end components, and the bumper cover, which is the main spot. Alright, now it's time for the bumper to go on. So right now I'm looking for some bolts and tools to get this thing together, and here we are attaching the bumper. Here I am attaching the bumper, and then my dad in the background is actually doing some Bondo work to fix some dents that had occurred on the car during some of the races in the season. So we're getting that all put together, so for when we paint it, the car will look straight and proper shape. And yeah, right here I'm just double checking, making sure things fit, putting the bumper bolts in to tighten it down. Yeah, so this bumper takes quite a few bolts, so they go all around the exterior of the bumper, like on the top part where I previously was working, on both sides, and there's some braces as well. And then right now what I'm attaching is in the grill or the mouth of the car. There's some bolts that hold the top part of it and the bottom part of it in. So there's just a few more attachment points for mounting hardware on this car. And of course I had to put the light in, because we're allowed to run one light, or I guess we're allowed to not run one light. We're on the side of the intake, so the side that there's no light right now is the one we can run with no light per the rules. Alright, sweet. Now look at that beautiful bumper, all ready to get prepped for some paint. But yeah, so we got that piece on. Looks really nice, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.